Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I want to make something for you today that I'm calling fluffy stuff. Now, some of you may have made this, but I wanted to make it today. And if you've never made it before, maybe you would like to try it. It's going to be good. So let's get started. I have 2 8-ounce cartons of whipped topping, Cool Whip, whatever you choose. And I'm just going to dump it right here in this bowl. Yeah, I might have needed a bigger bowl. My mother used to make something like this, very similar. And she used different kind of fruit than we're using today. And it was so good. It was so good. But it's so light and airy. Now, you can use the low-fat or sugar-free whipped topping. I'm not, but it would be good. It would be good. So, to this, yeah, this is a very, very simple recipe. This is a 3.4 ounce box of instant pudding mix, and it's vanilla. And we're going to dump it right in. Now, make sure you get instant, not the cook and serve. I use the cook and serve a lot. And yeah, that's what I use when I make my banana pudding, is the cook and serve, because it's so easy. So let's stir this in. We're going to get it stirred right in here, and it won't take us but a minute. Yeah, I drained 2 20-ounce cans of pineapple tidbits. If you can't find the tidbits, and I almost didn't, you can use the chunks, or the slices. Just cut them up. And this smells so good already. And it's just the whipped topping and pudding. Okay. I also have a 15-ounce can of mandarin oranges that I drained. And let's start putting it in. Let's put the mandarin oranges in. Yeah, I saved the pineapple juice. And I like to drink it. It's so good. Pop can't have this because this is the pineapple, and he can't have pineapple right now. He is on some medication. And some of you may know this, some of you may not. Last week, he was in the hospital for a couple of days. He had a mini stroke, TIA, so they've got him on blood thinners. He's doing wonderful, yeah. He stayed in the hospital a couple of days. They did all kind of tests on him, blood tests, CAT scans, MRIs, and everything came back looking beautiful. Look at this bowl. Yeah, I almost didn't have enough room in this bowl to mix this up. I bet this would be good with a little bit of coconut in it. Yeah, we're not through. I hope I have enough room. It's going to be very tight. I'm going to stir in some marshmallows. Got to have, and these are the little mini marshmallows. I like marshmallows. I've told y'all that before. And I can just sit and eat and pop them in my mouth like popcorn. So we're going to start out with 2 cups. Let's see, 1. I hope I don't have to transfer this to another bowl to mix it up. 2. Don't think I'm going to want. Let's put a little bit more. Not quite 3, but we're going to go close to 3. Okay, yeah. Don't do like I did. Get you a bigger bowl. I've got marshmallows running away. Let me move this stuff so you can see. But Pop is doing beautifully, and we've had a lot of prayers for him, but y'all keep praying for him. And we would certainly appreciate it because y'all know prayers work, don't they? They work. I still think this would be good with some coconut and maybe some chopped pecans. What do you think about that? We're not going to do it today. I'm going to go right by my recipe. And I might try that sometime in the future. I thought about trying to cut this down and making a smaller batch, but I didn't. We might have to farm some out to the neighbors to help us eat this, or help me eat it. I don't need to eat all this. And they would enjoy it. We can't right now because we've got a storm coming up and it's raining. Yeah. Look at this. Look at me. Let me wash. Give me a second, okay? Okay, y'all. Let's get a little bowl and try this. I'll neaten that bowl up, y'all. Let's try this and see what we think. I need a spoon. And I'm just going to use this spoon to dip. Make sure we get pineapple and some of those mandarin oranges. And don't forget the marshmallows. I didn't show y'all. Don't look at my messy bowl, y'all. I'll clean it up. Look here. Let's try this. Yeah. The chewy from those marshmallows, they're really soft and chewy. And oh, that pineapple taste and those oranges. My goodness, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I think when some of this rain is over, I'm gonna have to package up some of this and let Pop take it to the neighbors because I think they'll enjoy it as much as I am. And I wish Pop could have it because I know he would enjoy it too. I hope y'all enjoy this little short video. And I just wanted to come on and show you something simple, something sweet. And this is what we're gonna have for after dinner. I'll have to find something else that Pop can have. And yeah, I wish you could see those oranges and those pineapples in there. I'm gonna have to try to take a pretty picture of it because they look like little jewels sitting in all of this Cool Whip and marshmallows. Anyway, all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. And yeah, please, please remember, we have 2 cookbooks, volume 1, volume 2, and y'all, I put a link to the cookbooks and the accessories we have. We have hand towels, we have a pot holder, oven mitt, and dish towel. They're just beautiful. I've showed y'all. My cups are dirty because we use them every day. They're in the dishwasher. They're just beautiful. And if y'all go out and look at them, and this link will take you to them, and the books are on sale for $20 or 2 for $35, and they'll stay on sale until I say take them off. And but I hope y'all go out and look at them. But please come back and visit with me again, because I certainly enjoy having you in my kitchen with me. You keep me company when Pop's not here. But I hope I see you again. Thanks, everybody.